Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw a garlic. Alright, let's jump back to the paper together. Alright, okay, and the first one we need to make this shape like a rounded like this. So I will start with this line so you guys can follow. Alright, let's go. So from here I can go like this. So from here like this, right, all the way down like this. All right, okay, you follow this line like this, and then after that you can go from here like this all the way up, and then down like this. All right, then after that you can go this way again, this one and this one. Okay, all right, after that from here you can have like this curve like this, but you put here, so basically like you mirroring this line. All right, so all right, I will start from here guys, you guys can follow from here and all the way here. All right, then connect to this one. Okay, so I have this line already. Then after that I will add one more leaves here, like on the top of the garlic. So from here can go like this, so all the way up like this, and then like this guys. All right, okay, after that I will go to give some root here at the bottom one. So I will give it something like this, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right, something like that. Okay, it's pretty easy and pretty simple. And then after that I will go to give some face here, so you can guys can follow. This time it's really simple face, so I will give some circle here like one, right? I just block all the thing with black like this, right? And then I will give another one too here. All right, sorry, the sound will be like this. All right, all right. Oh, okay, looks great now. So, and I will give mud here, like smiley mud. All right. Okay, then after that, the fun part, I will give the red color on the cheeks here to make the line, the garlic looks more cute, right? So, okay. So guys, this is the shape of the garlic. I will give a coloring, and then you can guys follow the coloring process, and I will speed up the video. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of garlic. Hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.